Permit me to call you Odogu, my brothers and sisters in diaspora. You may not even be Igbo. You might be thinking, what am I calling you Odogu? But hold on. Odogu means warrior or hero, and it's used to appraise people who have shown exceptional strength, courage, and achievement, especially in the area of facing huge challenges. So when I call you Odogu, you should answer me 3 times. I know, despite how hard you've been hustling in that extreme hot weather, that extreme cold weather, yet you still gathered some savings that you want to use in investing in real estate this season. Before you invest in that real estate investment, may I tell you 3 things you must consider in this Nigeria of today. Today's Nigeria. 3 things you should consider before you invest in real estate. Not the usual thing you always hear every time. But hold on, the first thing you should consider is the land location. The second thing you should consider is the landmark. The third thing you should consider is the land title. How do I mean? The land location. Where exactly is this land located? Remember, location plays massive role in the appreciation of land. Number 2, the landmark. How close is this land you're trying to buy to the major industries, schools, malls, camps, hotels, most especially to government projects? How close is that land? The third thing you should consider is the title document of the land. Is it gazette, excision, government allocation, governor's consent, C of O, register survey, or whatever survey it is? Remember, a land with a good title is more valuable than the land with ordinary title. So after considering all these 3 things before you invest, may I introduce to you our Chaviva. 1. The location of Chaviva. Chaviva is located right in the heartbeat of Ibeju-lekki, opposite the Plan Atlantic University, right behind the Eleganza factory, right beside Microsoft Village and other thriving estates, under the Ibeju scheme, and even facing the ongoing 3 to 4 lanes by the government. Drum roll. Number 2, the land location I told you is located in Ibeju-lekki. Number 3, the land title is government allocation. It is allocated by the government and it has a C of O on it. Government allocated C of O. That is what we have on Chaviva, and it's just 3 minutes away from the Eleko Junction. What are you waiting for? Enjoy our 30% discount all through this month. Instead of 25 million naira for 500 square meters, you'll be getting 500 square meters for just 15 million naira, and instead of 15 million naira for a 300 square meters for 10 million naira. What are you waiting for? Hold the numbers on your screen right now or click the link around this video to get started. Do not forget, I'm your Odogu's friend, your friend, the best plug for real estate investments, and I am Nuellah from the Views Properties, and I will see you on the other side. Don't sleep, don't lose, take action today. Enjoy this offer, don't let it go.